Welcome back, faithful Awesome Kids TV viewers, to another episode of knex Upgrades. This is unfortunately the last episode of Season 7 we're going to make ever until we get Season 8 on the railroad. But anyway, in today's episode, we are showcasing a very, very special knex railroad guest. That's right. The brother of none other than Little Peep. Yes. I've been wanting to showcase this special guest engine ever since knex Upgrade Season 1. And it finally happened. Ignore the sounds in the background. That was Kira coming back up here. So, yeah, just ignore that for a moment. So this is what Little Peep's brother looks like. As you can see, he's got some piping going down on each side in a elbow curve type angle. Yet again, it's on each side. This engine is, of course, narrow gauge. It's got some hand railing next to the pipes, which is kind of weird. This is how his wheel system works, by the way. One piston rod in the front with a connecting rod right next to it on each side with some piston rods right here. Here are the sides of the engine. This is the back, the front. I broke off one of the pieces of the tank. Oh boy. That was partially my fault. That was my fault partially. There's the bottom. And there's the top. And there are the wheels impersonating the coal. That concludes today's knex Upgrade Season 7 episode. Like I said, this is unfortunately the finale until we get Seasons 8 and 9 on the railroad. But until then, thank you for watching. Now we shall count how many wheels this engine has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This engine has 12, count them, 12 wheels like the previous engine, Little Peep. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. We will see you in the next episode. Peace out. And by the way, we're almost at the premiere of the Night Pride series. That's coming very soon to this year, 2020, in the wintertime. Anyway, peace. Have a great day.